Hi guys! We're here at the construction site of Light 2 Residences along 𝗳𝘂𝘁, Mandaluyong City. Light 2 Residences is strategically located at 𝗳𝘂𝘁 Corner, Madison Street in Barangay 𝗳𝘂𝘁𝗵𝗂𝘀, Mandaluyong City. Ang kagandahan dito ay meron tong direct connection to MRT3 Boni Station. Because of that, it has an easy access to roads leading to major central business districts here in Metro Manila, such as domestic airport terminals. Going to the project from outside, makikita niyo yung tower na binibuild pa rin siya hanggang ngayon. Ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo yung actual construction site of the project. So this is when we're on our way to 5th floor parking area. Palagi kong sinasabi sa mga clients ko na mag-invest din sila sa mga pre-selling project kasi ito yung best time to invest kasi nga ito yung may longest payment term tapos mabibili mo pa siya at its lowest price. So kung hindi kayo nagmamadali, gusto niyo ng parang sapilitang ipon, this is perfect. So nandito ako sa 5th floor at ito yung view na pwede nyong makita. Yun, MRT talaga, kitang-kita siya dyan. Akyat naman tayo ng 8th floor. This is the amenity floor. You will find here adult and kiddie pool, amenity lounges, a place where you can relax. So from the artist perspective, ito na siya ngayon. So right now, this is the hallway. Yan, kung makikita natin, talagang malapit na matapos. Actually, I think they told us that the TCD or target completion date of this will be on September 2025. Now, this is the deliverables of 1 bedroom with balcony. So, as you can see here, we have the modular cabinets na, sink, and dito ilalagyan niya ng electric stove. Wow! So, white yung kitchen countertop. So, sa CR, wala pang ilaw, but we have tile cement finish. Then, yan, meron na tayo shower heads, sink, dito lagayan niya ng washing machine. And this is the partition of the 1 bedroom. So, ito yung area niya. Oh, I think this is still spacious. Marami pa kayong pwedeng malagay. And, sliding door. Oh, okay. So, kahit naka-close siya, may lighting pa rin. Kasi glass yung door natin. This is the bedroom. With this size, pwede kayo makapaglagay ng queen size na bed. Ayan. So, let's look. Oops, nakalock pa siya. Let's try to open it. Nakalock pa nga. Oh, nakalock. Pero yun yung balcony natin. So, right now, I'm gonna show you the amenity floor of Light 2 Residences. So, this is the pool area. Super laki niyan talaga, as in, if you are here, I'm sure you're gonna enjoy. You will really enjoy the area. You will find there the pool, cabanas, lounges, ayun. And in that area, pool pa rin yan. So, malapit na talagang matapos si Light 2 Residences. This is the pool area that you will enjoy soon once the unit starts its turnover. We have a very good promo discount ngayon and you can save 800,000 pesos by reserving a unit here. So we have a promo term of 5% in 1 month and 15% in 47 months, which is 18,000 pesos only, payable in 4 years with 0% interest. This is the 2025 construction update of Light 2 Residences.